Hi everyone who requested me to stand. Hello my 79 viewers. Hi. Hi everyone. Thank you for... Oh, cheap. Yeah, it's cheap. Very cheap. You can join. It's very cheap, as you mentioned. Oh my god. Let's face the camera. Yeah, I joined. Thank you, Vinesh. BM. When will you join now? You can join now. Click the beside the subscribe and the other is join. In my channel, you can click the join. I will make a vlog tomorrow on a simple celebration on Makmak's birthday. Maybe we will we will take some feeding of the kids here. No, I'm not married, Louis Meltzer. Louis Meltzer watching from. I'm not married yet. I'll be doing vlogs tomorrow. Mm-mm. Somewhere out there, someone singing along. Francis Del Salsa, hi. Ah, we'll be together somewhere out there. How many kids you have? I only have one. This is only my only co-equal. May makmak. I only one kid I have. No, don't make a bad comment. Only one kid I have. Ang yummy mo naman. Mag-inao ka pero medyo bastos. Huwag na mag-comment ng bad comment, guys. Yummy, mommy. Tere, tere. Wala Pasko. Hello, Realme C11. Shout out. Time now is 10:40. Wala undangan. Too sleepy. How you get you get membership? You can click the join if you have credit card or something like cash app. What you call this in your country? You automatic deduct on your cash app or if you create bank account. I don't know what is it. Pwede tumabi siya. Pwede naman. Pero mas magalit si Makmak. Hello. You seem like a very sweet and nice lady. Thank you, Louis Meltzer. Louis Meltzer is watching from shout out say. Igang ka? Hmm? Hello, Louis Meltzer. Shout out. We sleep out in our sala because Makmak wants to sleep here outside the room. Just want to sleep at our room because it's too warm and the internet there is not good, bad internet, so we used to sleep here, both two of us. My mother is in the other room.